Networking is widely seen as critical to career success for both women and men. But do women and men network differently? And if so, why? By conducting 2 studies focused on job search networking, researchers found that while women engage in just as much schmoozing for jobs as men, they also engage in a behavior called scouting, a form of networking aimed at finding employers and career opportunities where they will have the best chance of professional success. As women try to land internships and jobs, they network for information and access, just as men do. However, women also engage in additional networking, mostly with other women, to assess 2 aspects of fit that men are less concerned about: gender dynamics and support for parenting. While scouting demands a lot of additional time, some women may see it as a form of discrimination insurance, which may cost them precious time in the short run, but perhaps help them prevent larger challenges later in the workplace. As researchers better understand how and why gender shapes networking behavior, they may be able to help close important gaps in career attainment. Wonder how gender affects job search networking? If so, you may want to read this paper.